Hi everyone. This video is for students who are working on payroll. So basically you need to still complete a W-4 form and provide it to your employer. So students who have summer jobs, internships, part-time jobs, and you receive a W-2 from this job, you're required to complete this form and provide it to your employer. Now students who in 2026 tax year, if your total income is not going to exceed 16,100, then you do not have a tax filing requirement and you do not have to withhold federal taxes. Now, when I say total income, it includes all your income. You might be doing multiple part-time jobs. You might have investment income. Everything together, your income cannot exceed the standard deduction for tax year 2026, which is 16,100. If that is the case, then you can complete the W-4 and mark the box for exemption to withhold federal taxes. Now, how do you do that? On your W-4 form, complete your first name, last name, address, city, state, zip, your social security number. Make sure you're checking the right tax filing status. If you have multiple jobs, you can go check the multiple job worksheet page. But again, as I told you, your income cannot exceed the total income. Your total income cannot exceed the standard deduction amount. If you do have children, then make sure you're completing that step as well. So after you complete all of these and you know for sure you're meeting both the conditions. Now, when you scroll down, you can see exempt from withholding, and it says, I claim exemption from withholding for 26 and I certify that I meet both the conditions. What are the two conditions? One of them is you did not have a federal income tax liability in 2025. The second one is you expect not to have a federal tax liability in 2026. So these are the two conditions that you need to make sure that you will fulfill. As long as your income is going to be under that standard deduction threshold, you will not owe taxes. So if you're sure about that, go ahead and check this box and submit this to your employer. So your employer will not withhold federal income tax. They might still withhold Social Security and Medicare. This form is only for federal income taxes, so they will not be withholding federal income tax. Now, let's say last year you did a job and they did withhold federal taxes because maybe you did not complete the W-4 form and check this box, so they might have withheld federal taxes. If they did, and you know that your income is less than the standard deduction amount for 2025, go ahead and file a 2025 tax return. So you will get that federal tax withholding refunded back to you. So make sure to file a 2025 tax return. Now, if your parents contributed to more than 50% of your financial needs and requirements, then they can still claim you as a dependent. So when you file your tax return, make sure you check the box that says someone can claim you as a dependent, because your parents can still claim you as a dependent because they are paying for more than your 50% of your financial needs, right? So they can still claim you as a dependent. So make sure you check that box when you file the tax return for 25 to get your federal taxes refunded back to you. That is all I had for 2026 withholding information for the students. I will share more tax information in my upcoming videos. Stay tuned until then. Thank you. Bye.